Holy sheep shit. We are getting some snow today. Hey, buddy. Woo! They're picking that up. Man, it's coming down, coming down. I'm gonna have to drag tonight. Oh, mackerel. Wow, it's really coming down. Damn. This one you think it might be close to over? Nope. It is winter, you know. We've been having such short winters and mild winters for the past few years. I've just gotten used to it, I guess. Holy crap. Sheesh, everything's just covered up. Alright. The chickens are gonna be alright. They'll be alright. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna get ready to do a drag probably. Maybe keep up with it. Damn. Alright, y'all. Peace and love. Stay warm and safe out there.